So this is how to remove a rear door handle on a transit courier van. This has got slam locks on it, but makes no difference to removing the door handle itself. It's pretty straightforward, but there's one bit that really confused me to start with. So first bit's really obvious. Take off your plastic cap there. First time taking that off, it's going to be really tight. Just be careful not to scratch the paintwork. And then what we need is a hex. Where are we? There we are. It's just a small hex. And what you'll see when you open this, in there, for some reason, there's a small rubber trim. It's right in your way. It's literally, you won't better see that on camera, but it's literally there. There's not a right that you can do. You just have to force your way past it really to get to the bolt. You can sort of push it. If you push the rubber that way towards the, I guess the inside of the door, that's the way past. If you get a torch in there, you can see the bolt dead easy. So once you get the bolt located, this is the bit that confused me. So you don't need to do anything with the handle at this stage. You just need to loosen it. Now the first 2 or 3 turns feel really tight. And then it actually takes 30 full turns from what I've found. The end of the handle just won't release until you've done 30 full turns. So this will make for a boring video, but so once we get to probably about 5 or 6 turns, it does loosen up. And I've lost count, but we'll do another 3 or 4 and see where we get to. But I have counted, and it's 30 turns, which seems crazy. Seems a bit excessive. And you just think nothing's moving, but it clearly is, because as soon as you get to 30, this handle just falls out. So there we go, that just pops out, dead easy. And the handle itself, you just need to pop it out to the right, like that, and then handle out like that, just come out with a bit of a clunk. And then obviously with fitting it's just the opposite way around. It's a little. There's just some little rubber lugs that need lining back up. I think you can see that. And then the handle just pops back in. It's just a little bit awkward to relocate, but it's just a case of pushing the handle in and then sliding it back. So I'm pushing the handle that way and clicking it back into place, and you'll grip the mechanism. And then the piece just slots back in, and then you just go back another 30 turns. Make sure you go all the way, because just remember when you get towards the last half a dozen turns back in, it will tighten up again. But you need to make sure it's all the way home, just to nip that up. I've no idea why it's so many turns. Okay, so we're just tightening up there. I'm just going to come back around to this side because I'm left-handed. Right, tight now, so it should have about another half a dozen turns. And that's still loose, so we're not quite there yet. It's really tight as well. That's it, that's tight now. So I'm just going to nip that up. Recover that, that's solid. Little plastic clip. Back in. Job done. That's more hassle than it should be, but it's fairly straightforward.